Act 3. Autumn sends a save the date card. The first dry leaves blow into the vestibule. The heat has worn us all out, as much as we love that warm skin. The forest fires are everywhere and come sooner now. Gawain can no longer forget what has been promised. The bill is coming due. He has to keep things in right relationship. Summer's sweetness begins to ferment. It is time for Gawain to hit the road. Sadness sweeps the court. Longing fills the young knight's saddlebags. One more harvest feast to enjoy before he sets out. The rains come and the deciduous forest sheds its leaves. Gawain says goodbye for the last time to the comforts of home and community. He sets off north with his own soul as his lodestar to the Green Chapel. He loads up trustworthy Gringolet, and off he goes. What does the young hawk, this oak sapling, find along his travels? He encounters giants, roaming the last wildernesses. He passes war-torn villages and fire-burnt towns. Distrust and misinformation become cankers in all the little edge towns along the way. What do you know? They ask with menace and baseball bats, revving their unmuffled truck engines. Bad leaders tinder the countryside with lies, blowing coals of anger into violence. Sleeping in the hollows of ancient trees, he begins to decipher the chirping of squirrels and the scratchings of bears. The fungus reaches up and